Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Mailchimp for email marketing, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale Mailchimp for your email marketing, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab to manage your contacts. If you don't have an audience yet, create one by selecting Create Audience. Fill in the required details, such as audience name and import your existing contacts by clicking on Manage Audience, then Import Contacts. Choose your import method, whether through a CSV. Once your audience is set, create segments to target specific groups within your contacts. Go to the Segments section and click Create Segment. Define your criteria based on tags, engagement levels, or any other relevant. Next, focus on designing your email campaigns. Select the Campaigns tab and then click Create Campaign. Choose Email, then select Regular Campaign or another type that suits your needs. Customize your email by choosing a template that aligns with your brand. Drag and drop elements to structure your email content effectively. Add engaging visuals, clear call to action buttons, and concise copy. Utilize A/B testing to optimize your email campaigns. Set up variations of your email to see which subject line or content performs better. Once satisfied with your design, proceed to the Recipients section. Select the segments or audience you wish to target for this campaign. Schedule your email for optimal send times based on audience engagement data. Utilize Mailchimp's built-in analytics to track your campaign performance. Monitor open rates, click rates, and conversions to assess effectiveness. Based on your insights, refine your future email marketing strategies. Consider automating your campaigns using Mailchimp's automation features. Set up workflows to send welcome emails, follow-ups, or re-engagement campaigns. This will save you time and maintain consistent communication with your audience. Lastly, continue to grow your audience by promoting sign-up forms on your website. Utilize social media to drive traffic to your subscription link. Now you're ready to scale your email marketing using Mailchimp effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.